Why are you sad? Why is Rosie sad?
I want to stay with Mommy.
Well, Mommy's gonna be sleeping with Daddy.
No, I want to sleep with Rose. I want to sleep with Daddy.
Well, I'm sleeping with Mommy.
I want to sleep with Daddy.
Okay, I'll sleep with you and Elsa sleeps with Mommy, okay?
Daddy?
You're gonna let Elsa sleep with Mommy?
I'm gonna let...
Okay, give me Elsa. Really? Elsa wants to sleep with Rosie.
No.
Aww, she's sad. Okay, go pick a book.
I picked this.
Go pick a book, Rosie. Go pick a book and I'll read it to you. Okay, which one?
What about the baby?
I get it.
You get it?
Careful. Why don't you move the box closer to her? Oh, sorry. Don't split in there.
Dad, help me, please.
Which book do you want?
This one.
This one?